Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the topic binary codes from digital logic design and digital electronics. What is meant by code? Code means the way of representation of a number is called as a code. Binary code means way of representing the number in binary form is called as a binary code. Binary codes are divided into two types. First one, numeric code. The second one is alphanumeric code. Numeric code means it uses only numerals or numbers, whereas alphanumeric means it uses numerals, alphabets, and special characters. Numeric codes are divided into two types, weighted code and non-weighted code. Weighted code means the position of a number specifies the weight. That means the number can be represented with the help of the weight is called as a weighted code. Whereas non-weighted code means the position of a number doesn't depend on the weight is called as a non-weighted code. Weighted code also defined as the weight of the numbers should be greater than or equal to 9. That type of codes are also called as weighted codes. Non-weighted means the positions of the number doesn't depend on the weights. Examples of weighted codes are BCD codes. BCD full form is binary coded decimal. That means decimal digits should be represented in binary form is called as a binary coded decimal. That's why the numeric codes are used to represent the BCD codes. The examples for non-weighted code are gray code and XS3 code. Gray code also called as unit distance code and also represented as reflected code. XS3 code is obtained by adding the 3 to the BCD. Is called as a XS3 code. Now, BCD codes are two types, positive weighted codes and negative weighted codes. If we use the positive weights, that type of code are called as positive weighted code. Suppose if at least one of the weight is negative, then those type of codes are called as negative weighted codes. These are examples of positive weighted code and negative weighted code. Positive weighted code examples are 8421 code, 2421, 5211, 3321, 6311. When you observe these type of positive weighted codes, the total sum should be either 9 or greater than 9. 8421 means its sum is 15. 2421 means its sum is 9. Similarly, it is 9. This is also 9. This is 11. Okay. So when you observe the total sum of the weights is greater than or equal to 9, that type of codes are called as weighted codes. Similarly, negative weighted codes. Negative weighted codes are 6, 4, 2, minus 3. Here minus 3 is the negative weight. The total sum is here 12 minus 3 is 9. Similarly, here also 12 minus 3 is again 9. Okay, so the total sum is 9 or greater than 9. That's why this is also a weighted code, but it is having one negative weight. That's why these are called as negative weighted codes. Now coming to the alphanumeric code, means it uses numerals, alphabets, and special characters. Alphanumeric code divided into two types, ASCII code and EBCDIC code. ASCII full form is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It is a 7-bit code. With these 7 bits, 2 power 7 equal to 128 patterns can be created. Out of these 128 patterns, 52 are lowercase and uppercase letters, 10 are decimal digits, and the remaining patterns are other special characters. Whereas EBCDIC means extended, BCD means binary coded decimal, IC, this is the interchange code. This is the full form. It is a 8-bit code. It is extension to the ASCII code. With these 8 bits, it can be created 2 power 8 equal to 256 patterns. Out of these 256 patterns, 52 are lowercase and uppercase letters, alphabets, 10 decimal digits, and the remaining are other special characters. So this is about binary code. I hope you understand this concept. If you like my video, like, share, and subscribe to my channel DLT Quest. Thank you.